Okay, I do have here a DJI OSMO action camera, and I want to talk about the polarpro. Here, this is the logo. They have those lenses, lens protectors, only protectors. Those are ND filters and ND filters. Yes, that's what they are. They come in this nice box, but first, before you use those, you have to be able to remove this UV filter on the Osmo Action, and that is a hard thing to do for if you take it off for the very first time, and people are afraid to like just scratch this or break this thing when you try to really open it this way. And what I noticed with rings is always the thing: the more pressure you put on there on 2 points, the more difficult it is to get those off. So the point is to have less pressure. Now you can make a tool like this. If you have a 3D printer, you can print your own removal tool. This is here my prototype. The real one I made a little thicker. It's printing right now as we speak, and I'm planning on putting this on Thingiverse to share with you guys if you're interested. So what that does is you just go onto the lens like this, and then you have here more. If you push this together and turn, it's just much easier to get it off. See that? And once it's loose, it's easy to take off. Right, and then there you have the real lens, and this is the UV filter that comes with the camera. If you break this, it's like $15 at the DJI website, plus shipping, right? 15 is not that expensive. This here is more expensive, those filters. There is 3 of them in there. 1, 2, 3. And they are, I have here an ND4, 8 and 16, plus polarizer in there. That's why you see those little white markings on there. And let me show you how that works. The one in the center here in the middle comes with a magnetic holder. This here is a magnetic holder. I explain this in a second. So this ring goes in here like this. Like that. And then on top here you have your polarizer filter, and you can turn that to whatever position you need. But you can also take it off like this with a magnet, and you can take those others and plug them in. So now it's an ND8. If you need to switch fast to ND16, just take it off, plug it back in. That's how easy that is to switch now. So this you can type in really good, nice and tight, and this is like basically like those old GoPros were, right, without the protection cap, so you have to be careful there. See, like this, and then you can turn it around left or right to change the polarization of this filter. Like this. You always see where the ring is, so where it polarizes to. That's pretty nice. And so if you want to take this off, get it in here. This little box has magnets here on top. Keep this clean. And then you can put your old UV filter back on. Like this. And if you want to tighten it, you can also use this tool to tighten it good. If you're afraid you get water in here, if you use it underwater. See? That's tight. Plenty of tightness here. Oh, what a neat little camera. Alright, here. polarpro. Here you see the logo in there. There's magnets in this little box. Can I show this here? Oh, they flip on there. They can't fall out when you open this on your travel. See how clean they are. You see the different colors? Especially here with the ND16 items. Alright, so I hope you like this video, and you can subscribe or whatever you do here. Like, thumbs up, anything is good, comments, and visit Thingiverse on my site to see if you can download this and print it, or you can buy it online there. I saw on eBay and stuff, this is like less than $5, that kind of thing, and it's very helpful to get that kind of stuff off.